In order to meet the demands of our Chinese customers, Audi's design studios in Beijing and Ingolstadt work together closely to jointly develop the Audi Urbansphere Concept car, says Markus Duesmann, chairman of the board management at Audi AG and responsible for the Chinese market. For the first time, potential customers in China could also take part in the development process, contributing their own desires and perspectives as part of a process known as co-creation. The result can be seen in the Audi Urbansphere Concept and its particularly striking interior. The spacious automobile acts as a lounge on wheels and a mobile office, serving as a third living space during the time spent in traffic. To this end, the Audi Urbansphere combines the luxury of complete privacy with a comprehensive range of high-tech features on board, even during the daily rush hour. Automated driving technology transforms the interior, in which a steering wheel, pedals, or displays are notably absent, into a mobile interactive space that provides a gateway to a wider digital ecosystem. Audi Skysphere, Audi Grandsphere, and Audi Urbansphere are the three concept cars that the brand with the four rings has developed to showcase its vision for the world of premium mobility of tomorrow. In the process, Audi is creating a vehicle experience that goes far beyond the purpose of merely spending time in a car to get from point A to point B. To make e-mobility even more attractive, we think about it holistically and from the customer's needs, says Markus Duesmann. More than ever before, it is not just the product that is decisive, but the entire ecosystem. That is why Audi is creating a comprehensive ecosystem with services for the entire car. The Audi Urbansphere Concept also offers everyone on board a wide range of options to use that freedom to provide a highly personalized in-car experience, communication or relaxation, work or withdrawal into a private sphere as desired. As such, it transforms from being strictly an automobile into an experience device thanks to Audi's own options and the ability to integrate digital services from other providers. The possibilities are nearly endless. These can be used to access a wide range of services related to the current trip. The vehicle also takes care of everyday tasks that go beyond the ride itself, such as making dinner reservations or shopping online from the car. In addition, the autonomous Audi Urbansphere Concept picks up its passengers at home and independently takes care of finding a parking space and charging the battery. Customized infotainment offerings are also available, such as the seamless integration of onboard music and video streaming services. Audi will also offer customers exclusive perks, including access to concerts, cultural events, and sporting events based on their individual preferences.